Our planet's rotation goes almost unnoticed in our day to day lives. But what would happen if it stopped spinning altogether? Or span in the opposite direction? We and everything else not attached to the planet would be thrown sideways. Oceans would maintain momentum and a giant tsunami would spread water inland within a minute. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel The Physics Tour. I'm guessing that you have read the title already, so you guys know what we are going to be talking about in this video, so let's get started.
If the planet stopped suddenly, everything on the surface would be destroyed. A sudden stop of the spin will have a similar effect as when you press brakes on a moving car. You, along with every other object on this earth, will fly with the speed of Earth's rotational velocity, around 1670 km per hour. This is really a huge speed. The Earth will become a perfect sphere because the bulge in the Earth is due to its rotation. This bulge is along the equator and the oceans as they are now are due to this bulge. If there is no bulge, then the Earth would be a perfect sphere. The oceans will redistribute itself, resulting in one massive supercontinent that circles the equator, and the north and south poles will become oceans. Somewhat similar as the Earth was at its beginning.
Now let's think what would happen if Earth did not stop all of a sudden, but it slowed down over several years. Yes, it would still be a disaster. Without centrifugal force, the oceans would move towards the poles, dropping ocean depth by 8 kilometers around the equator. Since this is less than the depth of the ocean there, Earth's water would be divided into two huge polar oceans, separated by a belt of land in the middle. Everything north of Spain would be underwater, as well as all of the Antarctica.
Once Earth does not spin on its own axis, a day will last as long as a year. Every place will be receiving 6 months of daylight, gradually heating up the planet to over 100 degrees Celsius. The huge central continent would get the hottest, and any remaining lakes and rivers would boil away and be blown to the poles by fierce winds. Even primitive life would only be possible along a narrow strip at the coast. In this video, we have talked about how the rotation of the Earth is important for its existence. Similarly is the revolution for Earth and all the planets. Hope you guys found this video interesting. Do share your views in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel if you are a new visitor. We will meet you guys in the next video.